Fun size doesn't work with fat.
Lamarr Wilson.
How you doing? Good to see you, Lamarr Wilson here. Back for another video, back for another unboxing, because that's what I do, and I love it so much. Hi. Look, I looked at the who this is from. This is 100% from Oreo's, PR company, and I'm like, and here's the thing. I don't even have any milk in the house. This just came in. I'm like, I just gotta. So this will be a milkless taste test, but it's Oreo. It's sent to my PO box, and um, I'm ready. Hi, I'm ready to. I'm sorry, guys. Am I really sorry? Ooh, okay. Wait. Oh, wait. This is different. This is. Wait till you see. Oh, I didn't know about this. Okay. Oh, you see it now. Oh, you got okay. It's been spoiled. This is no trick. Introducing new fun-size Oreo chocolate candy. What? Now, if you remember a couple years ago, I did the Oreo candy bars. I taste tested those. So these are probably the same ones, but fun size. And it's been a couple years, so I don't mind doing it. Again, this is a new thing. This is what it looks like. Fun sized. Okay, here's the thing about fun sized and someone who's fat like me. Fun size doesn't work with fat because we look at it and you're like, oh, it's like a diet candy bar. And then I can eat 20. And then this is the result years later. Now, I'm not saying because of Oreo. I'm just saying because fun size. Fun size. What's my favorite one? Crackle. Crackle is it. If you ever get that little big bag of candy, it has a little red one. Crackle. Oh my God, those are the. Are they more? Okay. So no, it's just confetti and no, it's the kind that can't. That's lame. What's the difference between these two? So there's two packages. There's that package and that package. I think they're exactly the same, but for the sake of experimentation and research, let's eat one from both packages. I haven't had breakfast today. So this is oh my God. So how many come in here? Like, okay, so all of I'm not gonna eat all. Yes, I am. I'm lying. I'm like, you say I'm not gonna. Well, let me just. It's been a couple years. Milk chocolate. Let me get my milk chocolate face out the way. Milk chocolate right there. Mmm. Okay. Just for the sake of showing you. Yeah, I'm a beauty guru. This. God, I love beauty gurus. Cause they no they just good. Like this is you don't have to do no 2 camera 3 camera system. You put your hand right here and then oh my God. Okay, this is not going to be good for me, guys. Okay, and it's sense that this fun size. All right, so here's a taste test after a couple years. Maybe they fine tuned it a little bit. Oh, sorry, neighbors. All right, so let me just tell you. Immediately, as I put it in my mouth, I said Twix in my brain. I should have said it out loud because I'm doing the camera. But it immediately tasted like a Twix, which is a good thing. But then that Oreo taste blended in really well with it. Let me just, yeah. As I'm chewing it, Twix. And then it's definitely more milky after that. Okay. Because they sent me this one too. Is this like a fun, like you open it the right way? um, oh, wait, hold on. Hold on. I didn't show you the packages, did I? I see. That's what happens when you get so excited you forget. Okay, anyway, this is what the package looks like. Get my face out of there. Okay, so that's the package. Chocolate candy bar, fun size. It does say it contains hazelnut paste. No, so if you have a hazelnut or nut allergy, they do let you know that right there. And I'm sure it's on the bag as well. But because I opened this, I might as well try it again. This is how it starts, and then in 6 months, I'm gonna be eating that, and then going back to eating all the other stuff, and then whoosh. Let me just be clear: Oreo does not make you fat. It's you who makes you. So I'm like, I'm not blaming them. I'm just saying, um, keep sending me stuff. No, it's not them. It's just like, all right. Oh, oh God, how am I gonna keep these in the house? Andre, come over. Dashy, somebody. Dashy, you don't need. I'm just you're doing better than me. You don't need these. That's terrible. I don't need them. My big butt. Um, wow, wow. That is a almost cursed. That is a. Why is one was? Oh, that was me. I'm like, why is one open in here? Now I'm gonna have to eat the rest of the thing before it gets spoiled. so, so I guess okay. So I see what it is. I'm an idiot. This is for Halloween. This package here, because that obviously Halloween is coming up, and so this is the regular package. And these are all new. They didn't have an embargo date on this or anything, so I'm assuming they're out in stores. And so, oh yeah, there it is. So the fun size Oreo chocolate candy available for limited time, or the Halloween one, and you can enjoy fun size Oreo chocolate candy year round. What's this? Okay, so we got. Let me look at the dietary. 2 pieces. What I just ate is just 170 calories. That's fine. It has protein. No trans fats. That's definitely good. Oreo stopped doing trans fats, I believe, in 2006 or something like that. So yeah, good on them. Oh, we got some calcium. See, this is like taking my vitamin. It has iron, and I need more potassium. So like this is part of a balance. I don't know what store. They didn't have any other information in the box. I'm not sure what store, but I'm assuming the regulars, Target, maybe Walgreens. You have Walmart, anywhere you can get a bunch of Halloween type candy, fun size. Check your local retailers. If by the time I'm editing this and I put it up and I find a link like to Target or somewhere, I'll put a link below. Tune in tomorrow for another unboxing. I'm looking right at it because I'm literally about to film it right after this one. Ooh, I just saw it in the defund. Like that Oreo cookie. I thought it was cookies, so I put that up there. I didn't know it was chocolate candy bars. Even better. Talk to y'all later.